In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a Facebook page from Meta Business Suite. Whether you're managing multiple pages or just need to clean things up, this process is quick and simple. Now, let's go to the step-by-step process of removing a Facebook page from Meta Business. Go to business.facebook.com, or you can also open the Meta Business Suite app on your phone. Now, in the left hand menu, you can find or click on Settings. Under the Business Settings page, under the Accounts tab, you'll see a list of all the Facebook pages listed to your business account. Find the page you want to remove and select it. Once you select the page, you should see options for page roles and remove. Click on remove. Confirm that you want to remove the page. Don't worry, removing a page from Meta Business Suite doesn't delete the page itself, it just removes it from your business suite management. Once you confirm, the page will no longer appear in your Meta Business Suite.